Alright, today I'm going to show you a way to remove these E-clips without using a specialized tool. So in order to help do that, I've taken a GSXR foot peg and bolted it to my workbench. And these typically come with a cotter pin or an E-clip like this one. Whenever you're working these, the first thing to do is you push it up as far as you can, so you can see that brings that clip up so that it's no longer flush with this surface. Turn the clip in the direction you want to work it. And I'm going to show you the specialized tool first. So this is the specialized tool. It has a feature here that grabs the edge of the E-clip. And all you have to do to remove the part, I'm going to cup it with my hand because these things can shoot off, is get it started. And just to finish it, I'm just going to take these needle nose and push it the rest of the way. And there she popped off just like I warned you about. I'm going to show you how to reinstall it without the tool, because you'll need to know that anyway. So when you go to reinstall these, you thread them into the groove on the pin. Get it started. Again, make sure that it's not sitting flush. And I usually just take a pair of needle nose pliers, hook it on the back of the E-clip and the front of the pin. Turn this so you can see it. So you start the clip. I hook it on the back of the clip and the front of the pin, and I just compress it on there. So how do I do it without the specialized tool? The first thing I usually do is take a flathead screwdriver. These clips come in different sizes. They'll protrude a little bit. If I can, I push on it to make sure that it's all the way at the back. So these don't have the same tip as the specialized tool, but I can adjust them so that they'll fit right on those ends, like the specialized tool. And I can push it off and even just open it a little bit more. And off she comes, and as I warned you again, she popped right off.